Hi guys, I'm Mishak from Anedo TV, and today I'll be bringing you our pick of the top 7 Igbo boys who are not only money bags but are also big ballers. A popular Igbo saying goes thus: Afodimpa anu isi ego. Kindly ask your Igbo friends to translate. This list showcases in no particular order Igbo young men who know how to work hard and play hard. Some of them are in the entertainment business, others are into real estate and oil business. But they all have one thing in common: they live that flashy lifestyle of luxury with fast cars and mega houses. Our list buttresses the infamous saying that there is money and then there is Igbo money. Okay guys, you might want to hold on to your ladies a little tighter as we begin our list of Igbo land's most eligible. Number 1. Joey Zaza, Joseph Eze Okafor. Joseph Eze Okafor Jr. may be mistaken for a tourism professional by mere looking at his Instagram page, but his background in the oil sector beats it. Joey is the managing director of Jesco Oil and the son to the CEO of Jesco Oil, Chief Sir Joseph Eze Okafor Sr. Zaza combines hard work and leisure with so much ease. He is well educated and has bagged 2 master's degrees, one from Coventry University and another from Pittsburgh State University, both in 2013. A look at Joseph's Instagram page shows he loves to swim, travel, and do regular guy things like riding a bike. Joseph Eze Okafor Jr. is from Ekolobia, Agwata local government area in Anambra State. Number 2. Obi Kubana, Obinna Iyebu. Obi Kubana is the king of nightlife in Nigeria. With a huge demand for relaxation in Nigeria, Obi was able to turn his great idea on entertainment, luxury, and pleasure to a lucrative venture. Obinna is the chairman and CEO of Kubana Group, which runs big clubs and luxury hotels in Lagos, Abuja, Owerri, and other parts of the country. Kubana Group boasts of the best clubs across the nation. It welcomes top celebrities from within and outside the country. In December 2019, Cardi B visited Nigeria and she was invited to party at the Kubana Club in Lagos alongside Tiwa Savage, Burna Boy, and a host of others. Unfortunately for the ladies, Obi Kubana is married with 4 growing sons. He loves to travel and hang out with friends. He sponsors the yearly Oba Carnival in Anambra State. Obi is a big spender on vacation, the luxurious lifestyle, and entertainment. Obinna Iyebu is from Oba in Anambra State. Number 3. The Play King, Charles Opalaike. Charles is the king of Egwuregwu. We can simply say he plays for a living. Charles did not start his career with his business venture, the Play Entertainment Network, which he co-owns with his 2 brothers Elvis and Jeffrey Opalaike, but he was able to transform himself from a health economist to a Play King. He started off his career in health economics, where he worked with Family Health International, FHI, and United States Agency for International Development, USAID. Charles ventured into entrepreneurship by co-founding Play Sports Bar and Grill in 2008. He was also a lecturer in his alma mater, University of Nigeria in Nsukka, until 2011 when he decided to focus on entrepreneurship. The Play Network has various Play outlets like Play restaurants, lounges, grills, and bars. In 2015, the Play Network secured the intellectual property to remake Nigerian classic and Igbo historic film Living in Bondage. They also secured the rights to remake other historic films like Ahanna and Nneka the Pretty Serpent. This for many translates to the restoration of Igbo ingenuity in Nollywood. Charles is a networker who knows how to bring a lot of people together. He is a socialite and the life of the party. He loves to travel, smoke cigars, rock luxury wristwatches, and of course party. Charles is married and has an adorable set of twins. Charles Opalaike is from Anambra State. Number 4. Dili Motors, Okodili Umenyora. Okodili is the CEO of Dili Motors and a wealthy man by all standards. He is a strategic businessman who has been able to turn his love for automobile into a multi-million naira business. Dili Motors is one of the top leading auto dealerships in Nigeria. They deal in exotic cars, buses, etc. Dili also has other businesses in real estate and entertainment. He is the CEO of Eric Mani Entertainment, which brought the popular Nigerian musician Runtown to limelight. Okodili is known for his luxury lifestyle. He is a big spender on cars, travel, and parties. He is happily married to Fifi Umenyora and they have 3 lovely kids. Okodili Umenyora is a prince and the son of Igwe Umenyora of Obunike in Anambra State. Number 5. E-Money, Emeka Okonkwo. Emeka really needs no introduction. His popularity came with his fondness for spraying money with the money gun at events and his show of flamboyance on the social media pages. Emeka wasn't always wealthy, but he has worked his way through the difficult times with his loving wife Juliet. Emeka started off in clearing and forwarding in Apapa, Lagos before hitting the big contract which made him the Eze Ego that he is today. He has many companies in his name, including Emmy Cargos, 5-Star Entertainment, and many others, which cuts across the oil and gas and real estate sectors. Emeka, who is so often called Arab Money, can also be referred to as the king of flamboyance. Everything about him screams impeccable standard with a touch of class. He is a lover of fine wine, exotic cars, stylish accessories, and grand destination travels. Emeka Okonkwo is called E-Money for all the right reasons. He and his elder brother, the Limpopo crooner KC, sponsor the annual Uli Music Festival. Emeka Okonkwo is married to Juliet Okonkwo, and together they have 3 amazing soldier boys. Emeka Okonkwo is from Uli in Anambra State. Number 6. Ned Okonkwo. Kennedy Okonkwo, popularly called Ned, is the CEO and founder of Nedcom Oaks Limited and Victoria Crest Homes, which contributes to solving the need for affordable housing in Nigeria. Ned has a psychology degree from the University of Ibadan and an MBA from the University of Lagos. Also, he travels mostly to the United Kingdom and the USC to take courses which cut across many disciplines to improve himself. Aside from having a successful real estate career, he strives to give back to the young people in his community of Ojoto in Anambra State. Ned spends his money on travels and also goes to watch some of his favorite games like boxing. He is married to Ichi, and together they have 3 lovely children. Kennedy and some friends organize the annual Ojoto Festival. Kennedy Okonkwo hails from Ojoto in Anambra State. Number 7. Cubana Chief Priest Chibuike Okechukwu. Chibuike Okechukwu is a famous show promoter. He was the co-director at the Cubana Group and fondly calls himself the celebrity barman. He attracted a lot of top celebrities during the time at Cubana Club, both in Lagos and Owerri. This got him several endorsement deals with top drink brands like Hennessy. He currently runs the Angels Club at Owerri with his beloved wife. With more than 1 million followers on Instagram, we cannot deny the influence he has on his many followers and the entertainment industry. Chibuike also runs other businesses in Owerri. Cubana Chief Priest spends his money on luxury drinks, vacations, cars, and other luxurious accessories. He's married with 2 beautiful sons, and he does not hesitate to show off his wife and family. Chibuike Okechukwu is from Osu in Imo State.